On Bangladesh, over the past few weeks, several Hindu American groups across the country have been holding protest march, one outside the White House over the weekend. They are protesting against the continued killings of Hindus and their temples in Bangladesh after the fall of Sheikh Hasina government. Is the president aware about it? Did he raise this issue when he met his friend and the interim government chief Muhammad Yunus on the sidelines of the UN?
We're watching this very closely, and the president's following events closely as well. The security situation in Bangladesh has been difficult following the ouster of the former prime minister, and we've been working closely with the interim government to enhance the capability of their law enforcement and security services to deal with the challenge. We've been very clear in our engagement with all Bangladeshi leaders that protection of religious and ethnic minorities is absolutely critical, and the leaders of the interim government have repeatedly committed to providing security to all Bangladeshis, regardless of religion or ethnicity. We want to hold them to that.